Welcome to my channel Study Engine. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more study videos. Today we will discuss about computer awareness. Let's begin. Question number 1. A generic name for Intel processors related after the original 8086 processor is dash. Option A, Pentium. Option B, x86. Option C, Pentium 286. Option D, none of these. And the answer is option B, x86. Question number 2. A file which has not been altered, compressed or manipulated in any way by the computer is called option A, temp file. Option B, raw file. Option C, permanent file. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, raw file. Question number 3. Which among the following key is used for checking grammar and spelling? Option A, F3. Option B, F5. Option C, F7. Option D, F9. And the answer is option C, F7. Question number 4. DDL is used to define the structure of a database, including the tables, columns and data types that it contains. Its full form is option A, data definition language. Option B, data definition link. Option C, determination language. Option D, none of these. And the answer is option A, data definition language. Question number 5. BSNL, Reliance, Shaw Cable, AOL, Tata Indicom, all can be kept in which of the following groups? Option A, ISDN. Option B, IRC. Option C, ISP. Option D, icons. And the answer is option C, ISP. And ISP stands for Internet Service Providers. Question number 6. Which of the following device is a volatile storage? Option A, RAM. Option B, hard disk. Option C, magnetic tape. Option D, floppy disk. And the answer is option A, RAM. And its full form is random access memory, and RAM is a temporary memory in a computer. Question number 7. What is the use of digitizer as an input device? Option A, to convert graphic and pictorial data into binary inputs. Option B, to convert graphic and pictorial data into analogous inputs. Option C, debugging. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option A, to convert graphic and pictorial data into binary inputs. Question number 8. Internet escrow is a term most commonly related to which of the following? Option A, e-commerce. Option B, software development. Option C, privacy security. Option D, database management. And the answer is option A, e-commerce. Question number 9. Which of the following is the essential character of the ADSL internet connections? And the answer is option A, high download rate, low upload rate. Question number 10. Modern computers follow a generalized set of instructions to perform any function. What are these instructions better known as? Option A, language. Option B, instructions. Option C, commands. Option D, programs. And the answer is option D, programs. Question number 11. Which of the following is the first example of an electromechanical relay computer? Option A, differential analyzer. Option B, torpedo data computer. Option C, Jet2. Option D, Jacquard loom. And the answer is option C, Jet2. Question number 12. Which of the following is the correct sequence of stages of data processing in a computer? And the answer is option A, data collection, input raw data, processing of data, information and output. Question number 13. Which of the following indicates where is the computer is in terms of the program sequence? Option A, logic gate. Option B, Kennard circuit. Option C, program manager. Option D, program counter. And the answer is option D, program counter. Question number 14. Which of the following can change the sequence of instructions to be fetched by the processor? Option A, jumps. Option B, subroutine calls. Option C, returns. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 15. Which of the following are related to finding information from the RAM? Option A, memory buffer register. Option B, memory data register. Option C, memory address register. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. What was the name of the first vacuum tube invented by Lee de Forest in 1906? Option A, Colossus. Option B, Lydian. Option C, Odeon. Option D, Radian. And the answer is option C, Odeon. Question number 17. EDVAC was one of the earliest electronic computers. What is its full form? And the answer is option D, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Question number 18. What kind of data is processed by an analog computer? Option A, discrete data. Option B, intermittent data. Option C, discretely varying data. Option D, continuously varying data. And the answer is option D, continuously varying data. Question number 19. What is the meaning of the Greek word analogous, from which the word analog has been derived? Option A, according to an equation. Option B, according to a sum. Option C, according to a ratio. Option D, according to a dividend. And the answer is option C, according to a ratio. Question number 20. What can possibly be contained by an integrated circuit chip? Option A, CPU. Option B, memory. Option C, peripheral devices. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 21. Where are the instructions which are used to run a digital computer stored? Option A, motherboard. Option B, hard disk. Option C, memory. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option C, memory. Question number 22. Who has conceived the first automatic digital computer? Option A, Blaise Pascal. Option B, Gottfried Leibniz. Option C, Charles Babbage. Option D, George Boole. And the answer is option C, Charles Babbage. Question number 23. What are the possible uses of a home theater PC? Option A, convergence device. Option B, digital video recorder. Option C, digital photo viewer. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 24. Which of the following system is also known as desk notes? Option A, laptop. Option B, notebook. Option C, DTR computer. Option D, nettops. And the answer is option C, DTR computers. Question number 25. Every computer runs an OS software program. What does OS stand for? Option A, operating software. Option B, operating system. Option C, operating status. Option D, operating supplier. And the answer is option B, operating system. Question number 26. Monitors, printers, disk drives, keyboard, mouse are included in which of the following categories? Option A, storage device. Option B, hardware. Option C, software. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option B, hardware. Question number 27. The most common method of entering text and numerical data into a computer system is through the use of which of the following? Option A, plotter. Option B, scanner. Option C, printer. Option D, keyboard. And the answer is option D, keyboard. Question number 28. What type of device is a digital camera? Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, software. Option D, storage. And the answer is option A, input. Question number 29. Which of the following computer memory is both static and non-volatile? Option A, RAM. Option B, ROM. Option C, cache memory. Option D, hard disk. And the answer is option B, ROM. Question number 30. Which of the following define the meaning of RAM? Option A, it is a memory which only be read. Option B, it is a memory which both read and written. Option C, it is a memory which is used for permanent storage. Option D, it is a memory which can only be written. And the answer is option B, it is a memory which both read and written. Question number 31. What type of device is a digital camera? Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, software. Option D, storage. And the answer is option A, input. Question number 32. Which of the following is the memory in CPU that holds program instructions, input data, and the output information produced? Option A, system. Option B, primary memory. Option C, secondary memory. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, primary memory. Question number 33. The smallest unit in which data can be stored is known by which of the following names? Option A bit, option B byte, option C kilobyte, option D megabyte. And the answer is option A bit. Question number 34. When 8 bits are combined, the resulting unit of storage is known by which of the following names? Option A byte, option B nibble, option C kilobyte, option D none of the above. And the answer is option A byte. Question number 35. What is the full form of HVD? Option A hydraulic video disc, option B halogenated versatile disc, option C holographic versatile disc, option D hyper video disc. And the answer is option C holographic versatile disc. Question number 36. Which of the following is the another name for the hard disk drive? Option A thin film drive, option B SSD, option C Winchester drive, option D floppy disk drive. And the answer is option C Winchester drive. Question number 37. Who among the following gave the first theory related to computer software? And the answer is option B Alan Turing. Question number 38. There is a software that protects a computer against viruses by identifying and removing any computer virus. What is the name of this software? Option A diagnostic utility, option B antivirus, option C screensaver, option D Windows facility. And the answer is option B antivirus. Question number 39. Which of the following is the first layer of software loaded into computer memory when it starts up? Option A device driver, option B operating system, option C language translator, option D system utilities. And the answer is option B operating system. Question number 40. Which of the following are different SDLC models? Option A waterfall model, option B iterative model, option C Big Bang model, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Question number 41. Which of the following is the dominant operating system in the world? And the answer is option B Microsoft. Question number 42. Which of the following are the three different categories that application software is divided into? Option A general purpose application, option B specialized application, option C mobile application, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Question number 43. An application program that gathers user information and sends it to someone through the internet is known as option A spyware, option B virus, option C logic bomb, option D patch. And the answer is option A spyware. Question number 44. Which of the following is necessary for an application software to be used? Option A money, option B antivirus, option C software engineering, option D software license. And the answer is option D software license. Question number 45. What is full form of the Yagni principle used in software system designing? And the answer is option A you are not going to need it. Question number 46. Which of the following is true about ADA? Option A it is a structured and object oriented based high level programming language. Option B it was designed by Gene Ichbai of CII Honeywell Bull. Option C both A and B. Option D none of the above. And the answer is option C both A and B. Question number 47. What is the name given to view of database that appears to an application program? Option A schema, option B metadata, option C front end, option D subschema. And the answer is option D subschema. Question number 48. There are many types of database models. Which among the following are those types? Option A network database model, option B relational database model, option C object oriented database model, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Question number 49. Data query languages are computer languages used to make queries in databases and information systems. Which among the following are the query languages? Option A Atomic, option B Cipher, option C Datalog, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Question number 50. Who among the following proposed the art tree for the first time? Option A Antonin Guterman, option B Van Neumann, option C Steve Jobs, option D Michael Rothschild. And the answer is option A Antonin Guttaman. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.